Thanks, Ranjit, for that introduction. May I request each one of you to introduce yourself, everyone, in your mother tongue. Rajesh, be loud.
Bandakana.
Hello, Krishna Sagni, Kumipuriya.
Louder.
Louder. Okay.
नमस्कार എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖമാണെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Shabadi, I hope Laos.
My name is Abdul. I don't know from.
വണക്കം നാളെ വണക്കം എല്ലാവർക്കും.
Be loud, please.
എല്ലാവർക്കും സുഖം തന്നെ.
నమస్కారం అందరూ బాగున్నారా?
జై శ్రీకృష్ణ.
Ajol bhai.
মারলো দানিয়া নমস্কার আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি
Assalamu alaikum.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
নমস্কার, আপনারা সবাই কেমন আছেন?
ತುಳುಲು ಹೇಳ ನೀವು.
నమస్కారం. స్టార్ ఆఫ్ అరేబియా 361 మీటింగ్కి అందరికీ స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం.
ವಾಹ ಚೇಕೆ ಯಾರು?
I forgot mine.
Good morning.
नमस्कार.
Namaskar.
নমস্কার
Assalamu alaikum ya marhabat.
Namaskaram.
నమస్కారం എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്റ്റാർ ഓഫ് അറേബ്യയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
નમસ્કાર
સ્વાગત છે તમારું બધાનું.
Hi, welcome all to South Arabia. Rajesh has already spoken on my behalf.
नमस्ते, आप सबका स्टार ऑफ एरिया में स्वागत है.
అనేవరకు మినియ మాలే వణకం.
ತುಳು ಹೇಳ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಓದಿತೀನಿ ಮಗನೇ.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
When you greet someone, automatically there is a smile on your face. That is transformed to the other person. Did you all experience that? That's very important in life. When you greet others, there is a connectivity with the other person. And that's the theme today. What is a greeting? It is an act of communication where you intentionally make yourself known to the other person that you are there. You are saying hello to that person. And it suggests there is a relationship which is going to be developed between individual or group. Be it in any office or home. Most important thing is a greeting. It sets the tone. Suppose you enter an office and the receptionist tells you are quite early for the meeting. At the same time, if the receptionist says, welcome, please be seated. I will see whether this person in charge is ready to meet you. There's an entirely different shift, isn't it? In case you say, oh, you're early, you may feel not welcome. But at the same time, if the receptionist says, oh, welcome, please, glad to see you, have a seat, it makes a lot of difference. We all drive. Sometimes at home, when we reach home tired, you ring the bell, the door opens. We all face some situations like this. Papa, Daddy is at home. Somebody may just say, oh, good morning, Daddy, welcome home. There is a possibility, Dad, beta, आ गए, कैसा रहा दिन? भाऊ, कैसा है तुम्ही? How was your day? Right? There is a possibility also that your son is watching TV and he just says, hi Dad, and he continues watching. What happens then? The greeting sets the tone for the evening. If you are welcome home, you feel good. This morning, normally I send an invite to everybody for the SOA meeting this evening. And I have a habit, that's very peculiar of me. I send one-to-one messages mostly. And I did send a message to a Toastmaster of our club, and it so happened that I said, good morning, I look forward to seeing you for our 361st meeting this evening. And I wish you a super happy Sunday. And after 9 minutes, I got a message on my WhatsApp saying, okay. Did I feel angry? No. Was I dejected? No. But somewhere I would have appreciated the fact at least that person just tells me, you two have a wonderful Sunday. It's not difficult. We forward so many messages. But can't we just greet the other person? Think about it. Last week I happened to attend a Toastmaster meeting in this club, in this way, and there was a gentleman guest sitting right there. And when the president asked his introduction, he said, I am visiting a Toastmaster meeting for the 4th time, and today this is my 4th meeting. I have not yet joined any club. And everybody burst out smiling. But what would your club do to transform that guest into a member? Most important thing, it is every member of that club has to greet that member, make him comfortable. Do you agree?
Yes.
It is how he would feel. If he was comfortable in the first club, I don't think he would have gone to the second club. So, greeting is very important. The 3 advantages of greeting are: first, it triggers a conversation. Second, it makes a relationship between another person very personal. And most important, a sincere greeting from the heart can brighten another person's day. Maybe that person is having a worse day. So, namaskar everybody. I try to touch upon few greetings in the world, and this is the most widely used in India. And if you see, namaskar is just by holding your palms close together, fingers pointing up, your thumbs raising the chest, touching the chest. It is known as the Anjali Mudra, and in Hinduism they believe that it is, I see the divine in you. Okay? Bow from the waist only. It's not the full bow, it's from the waist. And if you bow, generally it is 15 degrees. If you bend 15 degrees, it's the Ishaku, it's the general. For business relationships, it is about 30 degrees, known as the Kiri bow. And if your torso is lowered up to 45 degrees, the extremely polite way of respecting the other person in Japanese is the Saigiri bow, which is up to 45 degrees. It is during appreciation as well as also if you are extremely sorry for something, so they use this Saigiri bow. Few ground rules before we start. First,